We are on our 12th day in Boracay, and today we're going to visit the mangroves and yung parang ati-atihan block. Well, yun yung sabi ni Dada. Siya talaga yung nagpa-plot ng mga gagawin namin sa Boracay. Kasi ako, I work at night, nagpagising, tour, ganyan. So, ayoko nang isipin yung mga kailangan namin gawin. Gusto ko si Dada na lang. Tulungan ako ni Kuya tumawid. Thank you! Bait naman ni Kuya. Ayan, dahil gusto makatipid, walking talaga. Walking trip dito sa Boracay. Kasi if you get their land tour, 500 per hour din yun. Tapos, pressured ka pa sa oras. Dahil nga kakaiba ang body clock namin, iba't ibang oras kami nagigising. It's so hard to set up a date with mga tour guides dito. So kami nilang gumagawa ng sarili naming itinerary. Basta whatever time we wake up, prepare na, Dada will make salad. Tapos yun na, ipaplat na namin anong gagawin namin. Like today, dito kami sa mangrove muna pupunta. Malayong lakad lang siya, which sanay na naman kami. At least pumayat na kami. Pumayat na ako kahit pa paano, I think. We're almost at the end of the road. And we're here at the mangroves. Yay. Nice. We're here at the mangroves. Let's take some pictures. Gonna walk some more. Dada said may entrance dito. Kasi ito parang yung gilid pa lang ito ng mangroves. Let's go to the entrance. So this is probably the exit. The entrance is over there kasi nandun yung sign. Let's go there. So this is the entrance kasi it has the sign. We're now here. Let's enter the mangroves. So it doesn't matter pala kung dito ka sa may sign pumasok or sa kabilang sign. Wala namang entrance fee. Oh, there's the sign. Picturean ko kayo dun, babe. From here lang. It's so nice here. Palagi namang nice pumunta sa mga mangrove forests kasi very relaxing and quiet. Sila Dada nandun. So I'm gonna head there to take some pictures.
Somebody could fall. Primero talaga yung sinuwa niya.
Okay, so we're done here at the mangroves. Nakapagpa-picture na. We'll go to the other side and then Dada plans to go to the Ati village. Ati village is the Ati-Atihan village, Dada?
It's where the Ati-Atihan.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're heading out. Goodbye, mangroves. It's nice to see you. Dada was here 2009. Kami ni Taz kasi naiwan lang sa kwarto. I didn't join them. Kasama niya nun sister niya who was vacationing from Belgium. At least ngayon, nakita ko na yung mangroves. Bye! So after the mangroves, we're going to walk to the Ati village. Dada is leading the way. So lakad talaga sa highway ginagawa namin. This is fun. Iba. So Dada said, baka ito na yung Ati village. It's really, a real residential village of Ati people. So here's the entrance of the Ati village, Ati komunidad. Maruyog ke pagdugok tuka ke Ati komunidad. They have certain rules if you want to go inside.
If you want to live in there,
No, just visit. And so we knocked and they let us in. Register lang muna. They have here the products, Ati products, souvenir store. I think heritage site.
like they know the map of Boracay.
Yes.
Nakakabili kayo ng Bisaya. Cebuano.
Hindi ako makaano masyado magsalita pero naintindihan ko na.
Yung salita niyo ba sa mga ganito? Yung ano is iba sa...
Oo, iba.
This is their museum.
Kasi pag Tagalog yung bisita natin.
Pero yung iba, yung may salita talaga na yung inyo talaga na inyo.
Inati talaga yung
Inati. So, bali yung...
So we're inside their museum. Isa lang, kasi matanda na kami. Ate is asking about Taz. If Taz is a boy or girl. Tayo sa isang anak. Bawal na raw ako magbuntis. Baka raw ikamatay ko na. Mukha lang akong bata ate pero matanda na. They have a church or chapel. This is their chapel.
Okay, hindi dito. Kasi talagang hirap na
So they have to look there. They have a miracle fruit. Let's go around. This is their school, baby.
You wanna sit? No, try sitting on that.
So many books.
Oh!
Happy birthday! Look at their students, baby. They have
This
so
is
many
how
students.
school looks like, baby. Hindi kasi niya alam ang school setting dahil homeschool siya sa bahay lang.
Oo. So hindi niya alam yung ganito, yung
So
classroom.
then there's a blackboard over there. See, the teacher will be there explaining to you. And you have your own tables like this.
English speaking talaga siya.
Yun na kasi yung nakasanayan namin. They have a computer room.
Wow, galing no? May mga
Sinong nag-donate nito ate or nagbigay?
Ang una ay yung SCP. Tapos, nag-ano ko SCP. Parang natutunan daw sila.
Budget?
Signal.
So ate was so nice. I was able to buy 2 soap bars, 1 rosary made of amethyst, and salabat package. Now we're heading to the beach and then to Bulabog before we head back to Paradise. Kasi si Taz, sobrang naiinitan na. Hindi sanay sa init ang bata. Gusto lagi naka-aircon. Spoiled. Ayan. So this is papunta ng Bulabog. Ayan, this is the other side. So ito yung likod ng Ati Village. So exit kami dito sa may beach. We're playing soccer.
Wala na, dulo na. May daanan dito. Wala.
So let's go find Bulabog Beach, which is behind these boats. We are now behind the boats. And tama nga si Dada, bulabog na nga ito.
Yeah, but we went there and
Yeah, the other day we were here.
Recognize the place?
We're here again. Pero this time there's no wind. Hindi mahangin, so no kite surfers, no windsurfers. Oo, depende talaga sa panahon. So what are we going to do here in Bulabog? Just pass by? Kasi after nito, bala ko nang mag-crystal kayak sa other side, sa White Beach. Pang-practice to ng arm.
what's that for?
Tapos, lalambitin ka.
What's that for?
Yan, oh my God, sayad yung pet.
Likod niyan.
I'm gonna have my crystal kayak pictorial